Problem 1, exercise 14.2 on Connect, is a basic sales budget problem. And as is true of all budget problems, you have to read each and every word very, very carefully. Budgeting is more communication than mathematics. And you will have to do this in whatever industry you go into, because somebody sometime is going to say, what do you expect the sales to be from your hotel, your restaurant, your concession sales, your whatever? And you're going to have to do this. This is a typical one. They're all variations of the same theme. Okay, let's take a look at this and see what we have here. This company expects to start operations in January, which is another way to say they haven't done anything yet. They have budgeted sales as indicated. Budgeted sales, code word for this is what we hope to sell. The company expects a 10% increase in sales per month for February and March. That's what they hope for. That's what they expect. There's no way you can prove it mathematically. It could be 50%, it could be 0%, it could be a negative percent. Your boss or your board of directors said, figure this out, let us know where you think we'll be. The ratio of cash sales to account sales will remain stable. Now, normally I would do some sort of mathematical gyrations and figure out, well, let's see, what percentage of 170 is 50, what percentage of 170 is 120, find out that percentage and carry it through. But they tell us this is going to increase by 10%. Excuse me, and this is going to increase by 10%. Let's just do it that way. It'll work out the same either way, but this is a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to increase this by 10%, so that becomes 55,000. 50,000 plus the 5,000. We're going to increase this by 12,000. So this becomes 132,000. So for February, our total budgeted sales, hoped for sales, made up sales, don't have any cash in the bank yet sales, $187,000. Again, budget means ain't got yet, or something like that. Again, we're going to add 10% to this. So that means we're going to add 5,500. That's 10%. At 60,500. We're going to add 10% to that, which is 13,200. That's 145, 200, and this adds to 205, 700. So here we add 5,000 to get that. Then we add 5,500 to get that. Here we add 12,000 to get that. We add 13,200 to get that. That's all they're asking us to do. Increase the sales by 10% each month. Then it says, what will be the amount of the sales revenue appearing on the first quarter? Well, go back to remember what sales was, sales revenue, sales, what we sold. In this case, it's not what we sold, it's what we hope to sell. So it's 170 plus 187 plus 205 700. See where they came from. And altogether, that comes to 562,700. So with a budgeting problem, it's just simply a matter of reading every word and doing what the manager above you in the chain of command asks you to do. Don't get into the yeah, but what if, however, maybe. Just don't do it.